Veda loved spending time in her grandmother's garden. She was fascinated by the beauty of the flowers and trees, but often wondered why it took so long for them to grow. One sunny day, Veda decided to plant some seedlings, hoping they would bloom into beautiful flowers overnight. Kneeling on the soft soil, she gently placed the seedlings into the ground. With a small watering can, she sprinkled water over them, imagining how lovely the garden would look the very next day. That night, Veda lay in bed, her mind racing with excitement. She pictured a garden filled with blooming flowers by morning. But when she rushed outside at dawn, she was disappointed to find the soil looking just as it had before, bare and unchanged. No flowers, no growth, just the same plain soil. Frustration began to set in. Sensing her sadness, Veda's grandmother came to sit with her under the shade of a large oak tree. With a gentle smile, she pointed up at the mighty tree and said, "This oak took many years to grow tall and strong. Just like your plants, it didn't happen overnight. Patience, my dear, is what helps everything grow in its own time." Veda listened carefully. She looked up at the tall oak tree, realizing how much time and care it must have taken to grow so big and strong. The lesson of patience began to make sense. It wasn't just about waiting, it was about trusting the process. Determined to follow her grandmother's advice, Veda returned to her garden every morning. She watered the tiny plants, spoke to them softly, and waited. Days turned into weeks, but Veda didn't lose hope. She knew that growth takes time. Then one morning, something wonderful happened. A tiny green sprout poked through the soil. Veda's heart filled with joy. Day by day, the sprout grew taller and stronger. Finally, a vibrant flower bloomed, a testament to the patience and care Veda had shown. As more flowers began to bloom, Veda's garden transformed into a beautiful display of colors. She shared the flowers with her friends and family, explaining how patience had been the key to growing something beautiful. And as she sat by the oak tree with her grandmother, Veda realized that patience had not only nurtured her garden, but it also helped her grow.
Kid morals.